If you've ever wanted to learn about travel hacking, the book is out from Brian Kelly, also known as the Points Guy. I have been following this dude for a long time. I personally travel hack. I know this is a little bit off the norm of what I typically put up on a video, but I think it's so important that you know about this because as far as travel hacking is concerned, and I really didn't even know that he came out with a book until a couple of days ago. This is really right off the shelf. I think it came out about 3 weeks ago. It is so important because a lot of people ask me, friends and family, how do you do it understanding the mileage and the point system? Now, keep in mind, there's a lot that I know, and there have been many times that, I tend to travel internationally, primarily to Greece with my family. There have been times that I've saved myself one, maybe two tickets and only paid for one for three people. It's just being that I understand the system in regards to travel hacking in the factor of understanding each of my credit cards, personal, business, especially if you're staying in the same ecosystem under, like, let's say a bank like Chase or American Express, and how those points work for you. That's an awesome thing because if you've ever wanted to go somewhere and really understand how you can save some money and understanding the perks of each one of those credit cards, because quite honestly, a lot of people do not, you have to understand. And that dream vacation that you've always wanted to take, you can take it. But Brian's book, all right, this book is a book that is a phenomenal reference to it. And I will tell you, you will highlight the crap out of this book just because there is so many different things that he will educate you on. Things, honestly, I didn't even know. The key thing is that by doing that or dogtailing pages, it is such an awesome reference tool in understanding your credit cards, how each one works, the benefits of each card, what the card comes with, but also staying disciplined in the way that you use those credit cards. If you stay disciplined with your credit cards and understanding each one of those credit cards, the benefits and the protections that each one provide, you are golden, my friends. So the key thing is pick it up. It is really hot in regards to it. And like I said, you'll probably highlight the crap out of it. The key thing is it's called How to Win at Travel. It is from Brian Kelly, the good old points guy. I put the link in the description below that will bring you right to Amazon. You can pick it up. And I think it's actually a little bit on sale, if I believe that that is the case. And enjoy the book. And I will tell you, it is a quick read. You'll probably go read through it again and really take advantages of the tips that Brian is providing. It is a top A+ book, and I hope you enjoy it. Other than that, guys, thanks so much. Subscribe, like, comment, and for more of our world of our game company in regards to learning about marketing tips and creations of games or scavenger hunts or whatnot, hit the box that's going to float around. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. And as I always say, let's play.